Hi YouTubers, I thought I'd do a little video today on this Arduino thing. So this is what it is. It's called the CH376S, and it is like a USB stick to Arduino interface. I couldn't find out a whole lot of information on the internet about it, but bits and bobs, but I managed to get it going, so I thought I would share it with you. So I found this diagram which shows how to connect it up, and it shows RX to the Arduino, TX the Arduino, and there's like a jumper here which has to be across the green and yellow ones for it to be in serial mode. And I connected my ground over here. I'll show you. So this is the connections anyway. So the 5-volt and ground from the Arduino UNO are going to the VCC and ground on the USB module, and then the yellow wire I've got going to pin 7 and the green wire to pin 6, which is RX and TX. And if you look at the sketch here, the line which mentions the serial is saying 7 and 6. 7 is the RX and 6 is the TX, which so if you look at that picture there, the one that is TX, which I've got yellow on, it's going to pin 7, which in the code they're saying is the RX, which I've found a little bit confusing. Maybe intentionally they're saying connecting RX to TX and TX to RX, but anyway, the important thing is that it works. So so that's the wiring. This is the code. To get the code, you have to go into your, where is it, tools, manage libraries. There it is, it'll come up in a minute. And then you just type in here CH376. Is it not coming up? It did last time. Give it another go. Oh, I've done it wrong, haven't I? That's probably why. It's a 376. I don't know why it's not showing up. I did type that in anyway. I did type that in manage libraries, and the library came up and I installed it. And let's give it one more go. I keep getting it wrong, these numbers. 376. There it is, it's come up now. So there it is, the CH376. This one, as you can see, I've got it installed, but you just click on install, and then once you've done that, you obviously you set up your board. If you've used this IDE before, you know how to set up the board, and then sketches, examples. So come on to your examples here, and you go down to the CH376, and then you go to basic usage soft serial, that one, and that's what this sketch is here. And well, if you're interested in this, you can obviously you can load this up and have a look at it yourself, but it creates a text file. You've got a menu. Once you've loaded the code up, you get this menu, and you can create a pen, read, date, time, modify, delete. It's just an example sketch of what you can do with this module, but so I've tried it, and it creates this little text file, and it writes all this stuff in it, and it appends to it, and you can delete it. I've done all that. It all works. I thought you might be interested in how to actually hook it up more than anything, which is what I had trouble with. The first module I bought, I wired it up wrong, and it's sadly not working anymore, so I don't know how I managed that, but obviously did something wrong. But anyway, I have now got it working. When you plug the USB in, this little red LED comes on. When you unplug it, it goes off. Can't seem to get anything right today. There. LED comes on, and then you can, it says up on the serial interface, flash drive detected, and then you can type in here, let's type help to begin with, so we get the menu up, and then let's do delete. So if I do 6, it will delete what's ever in there, and then if I do the list dir, which is 7, do that one, and then it doesn't show anything because it's deleted it. Then if I do a number 1, which is create, and you can see it says it's created test1.txt, and then if I do the read What is the number for read? 3. If I do the 3, then you can see it's written all this stuff into the text file. And goodness knows what this means. I've been trying to work it out. It doesn't translate from, if you try to translate it from English to English, it like kind of says it is English already. I have no idea what it means. That's a bit of a mystery. So let's do the modify, number 5. So we'll do number 5. Press that one, then it's added to it, and then if I do, what was it, number 3 I think it was to read. Number 3, yeah. If I do number 3 again, you'll see that it's not only done that, but it's added some new stuff. So yeah, that's about it really. I don't know what else to say about it. I hope this is helpful to anyone. God bless and Happy New Year.